Here is an ugly truth about AI trading nobody's talking about. Most people, they are understanding AI trading in the wrong way. They understanding it as AI is a super smart beast which you can ask what to trade and when, and that's gonna tell you what to do and when to do. This is as far from the truth as it possibly be, and I'm gonna explain you why. When I was a day trader, I was involved in the different trading communities, and I first hand saw how they trade in exactly the same stock universe with the different strategies. One of them was going short, one was them was going long, one of them was taking trading breakouts, another one was trading pullbacks, and so on and so forth. Exactly the same stock, but it can be traded in the multiple different ways. And this is the problem here. When you're simply gonna ask AI how to trade this company, AI doesn't know. AI doesn't know because there is a million variants how you can actually trade this company. And if you're gonna tell AI, here's the company, simply trade it the way you want just to make me money, AI is gonna get lost because AI does not know the way which is gonna be making you money because there's a million variants which can be altered in order to be profitable. And AI needs to know what are those variables. So you can't simply ask AI and expect it to tell you, here's the winning strategy, this is how you need to win, and please trade this way, and I can even trade it for you. This is not how it works. The way it works is that you need to define the strategy. And AI can help you with that. AI can outline the thesis for the strategy, um, backtest it, read reports, improve the strategy, do everything for you, and in order to get the strategy to the level when it's actually profitable. For example, as you see here on the screen, this is the result of improving my strategy. So I have the working strategy, which I'm trying to improve. And I asked AI, alrighty, I have the assumption that this change might improve the strategy. And ask and AI said, alrighty, if you're thinking this is gonna be it, maybe we can test this variant and this variant and this variant and see which one is gonna be producing more results. And I asked it, yeah, sure. And AI wrote me all the scripts for those strategies, changed everything, backtested everything, and analyzed the reports. And as you see here, here's my baseline strategy, and which has 66 CAGs and drawdown is 35%. This is a baseline. After doing my assumption, I've improved the CAG by 10 points and slightly increased the drawdown. It was the first winner. Then AI suggested maybe we can tweak it even further, which further increased the CAG. However, the max drawdown was pretty much identical. I said, yeah, maybe there's something else. And AI also suggested a couple of more variants which we can improve, and that's the final results. And as you see here, we had three times, 30% more improvements on the CAG from 66 to 92%, and the drawdown slightly reduced. And this is how it works. So you have your strategy, or maybe you're asking AI to make your strategy. AI writing your strategy, AI is backtesting the strategy, AI is doing everything for you, and the final result, you're going to have this working strategy, which is going to be written in a Python or C# or any other programming languages, which can be executed. But AI is simply going to be analyzing the strategy. AI is going to be backtesting. AI is going to be improving the strategy. But AI is not going to be responsible for executing the strategy. Execution of the strategy is going to be on the different layer. Execution is going to be run by server. It's not related to anything with AI. AI is going to be the brain which is going to be running on top of it. And that's what is important to understand. AI is smart. AI is super smart. AI is exceptionally smart. But if you train it in the right way, If you simply ask the broad questions, what should I do and when, AI doesn't know because it doesn't know enough context. So this is everything I want to share with you. I hope you find some value in this video. And if you are, I'm gonna open the community where you're gonna be sharing all my knowledge, what I identified, like how you can use Claudia code to improve in your strategy and to even write in your strategy from scratch, and how to backtest the strategy, and how to leverage AI to improve your trading overall. This is going to be the community for traders. We're going to be helping traders to get more money from the market. So I'm going to drop the link to the description section down below. Feel free to check it out if you're willing to join. If not, just check it out. Maybe there's going to be some value in there. And this is everything for you. I hope you have a lovely day. Take care.